Nepali style cauliflower curry. So I have this cauliflower and red potato. I bought it from Darjeeling, but in Kolkata also you can get this red potato in some places. If you don't get it, you can use normal potatoes as well. So let's go to the recipe.
Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare another Nepali cuisine. So because from Darjeeling, as I said, I came with some veggies. So what I have today, I have this cauliflowers and I have this red potato. So I will prepare a cauliflower curry, a basic Nepali cauliflower curry. So for that, first I have to switch on this gas and I'll heat some mustard oil. And at the same time, let me heat it and I will show you the ingredients I'm using. So this is ginger garlic paste. The ginger and garlic I bought from Darjeeling. And this is cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. And this is meat masala. Meat masala I have seen in lots of Nepali cuisine. They use meat masala or kitchen king or sabji masala. So this is not mandatory, but the meat masala will enhance the flavor. And I am using the green chili. You can use del chili, or if you want more chili you can use more. And dash of red Kashmiri mirch because I am not using red chili powder. This is salt and chopped tomatoes. This is from Kolkata, of course. And I have this fenugreek or methi, and then black mustard and this white cumin. So the oil is already heated. I'll add this and I'll let it splutter. So the aroma is here. Now I will add this potato, the red potato, and I will fry this till they are golden brown. So it will take some time, and first I will fry it. I'll cover it and then I will fry for a couple of minutes. I'll open it and I will add turmeric. So I have this turmeric. I'll add it. The measurement of each spices will be in the description box in the video. And now I will mix it and then I will cover it again. It will take a couple of minutes to be fried, half done actually. So I'll cover it again. Now I will check the potatoes. One more thing I want to mention, that I bought veggies from Darjeeling, so I am preparing with that. But you can buy cauliflower from Kolkata or wherever you are living. Local cauliflower you can buy, and after that, if you don't get that red potato, you can use normal potato as well. So let me check it. Very carefully I have to open it. Okay. It's not yet done well. Little bit fried. Now I will add all the spices I have, and then I will add some water and I will keep it. So first I will add this ginger garlic paste and mix it. And now rest of the ingredients. First, chopped tomato. It will help to soften everything, and then coriander and cumin, salt, red Kashmiri mirch, chopped chilies, and the magic ingredient, meat masala. So I'll add little bit of water. Just this much. It's 3 tablespoons approximate. And now mix it well, and now I will add the cauliflowers and the stems as well. So have to mix it well, and then I will cover it. And I already mix it well. Potato and cauliflowers, they are coated with the spices I used. And now I will cover it and let it cook in a medium-low flame for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes over, and now I will open the lid and let me check if it's done or not. Okay. So first I will check this one. Yes, it's soft and florets are also done. Now I have to reduce the gravy. There won't be any gravy in this recipe, so in a high heat I will cook for 5 to 7 minutes to reduce the gravy. That's it, and we will be done. One more thing I have to mention, when I will reduce the water, let me show you. So this is the gravy I have. When I will reduce it, won't stir it because the floret can break. So that's why just keep it in a high flame and reduce the water or gravy. So that's it. Nepali style cauliflower curry is done already, and let me show you. There is no water or gravy, so I'll switch off the gas and I will serve it with a chapati. It's great with rice as well, but this time I will serve it with a chapati. And thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can get some more recipe, another recipe, I can say the surprise recipe with a veggie I got from Darjeeling. Last year also I got it from Darjeeling. So stay tuned, and you can go through Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen, you can go to Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, or you can check the Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. So enjoy the Nepali style cauliflower curry with rice or chapati, and wait for the next recipe. Bye.